Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, New York Harbor, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:16 a.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles southwest of Island Park, moving northwest at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 4 p.m. for northeastern New Jersey and southeastern New York. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.